Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to activate voice command on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings and tap on accessibility. From here, just tap on interaction and dexterity, then tap on voice access. Now just install voice access from Google Play Store. Then tap on open. From here, just select OK, then tap on installed apps. Now just tap on voice access and enable this toggle and select allow. After that, just select agree and give this app this permission. Then tap on done. From here, just select listen for commands whenever my screen is on. Then tap on continue. Now just select while using the app and tap on continue. Now just give this app this permission. Tap on continue and select finish. Now after you do that, a small notification will appear in the notification center on your smartphone. Now to enable voice commands, just tap on this notification and tap on download. Select download. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled voice commands on our Samsung phone. Now to use it, just make sure that the voice command feature is enabled from here. Just tap on it to start. And once you see this blue icon, this means that the voice command feature is turned on. Now to use it, just say go to home screen. Swipe up, swipe left, swipe down, open YouTube, go to home screen, open settings. Now as you can see, this is how you can activate voice commands on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.